So, hello, this is the end of the course. Thank you for having attended this MOOC on human rights and international criminal law. We hope it has been a rewarding and interesting experience, a learning experience that you have had with us. So the MOOC has tried to highlight the interconnections, the link between the long-run work that is being done by any kind of organizations in the world dealing with human rights defenders, institutions, groups, NGOs, etc., and the punctual, specialized work of international courts, judges, prosecutors, investigators, and of course also victims and defendants and their lawyers.
The first week has introduced you to the fabric of international criminal law. In week 2 and week 3, we have addressed the challenges and concerns of 2 special groups of individuals whose rights are particularly jeopardized both in wartime and in peacetime, namely women and children. Both groups are disproportionately affected by organized violence, including armed conflicts. In a course that focuses on the interplay between individuals' rights and the repression of international crimes, it was relevant to test the robustness of such an interconnection by analyzing how effective international criminal law can be in protecting dignity and the interests of women and children.
And in the final week, we have explored the dialogue, some examples of the dialogue existing between courts, institutions, etc., that operates for the purpose of promoting and protecting human rights on one hand, and those courts, institutions that pursue the task of prosecuting international crimes.
A critical assessment of these developments may help to better situate the efforts that the international community has undertaken in the fields of human rights and international justice. We have emphasized some inconsistencies and shortcomings, but also a huge potential. A potential that can be further developed, operating at the different levels. Global institutions should work hand in hand with regional, national, and local actors, starting from the rights of people that have suffered the worst forms of victimization.
We don't have any special conclusions to draw from this course. I think that you have to draw your own conclusions on this matter. We definitely thank you for having followed us in this journey, for the input and comments you gave us, and the interactions, the conversations that we had the chance to have with you on this platform. We look forward to meeting you maybe in person in our beautiful Padova and talk with you about human rights and international justice.